All right, that was our puff pastry that we unrolled. Now I'm coming in with my spinach dip, and we are going to spread our spinach dip on half of our puff pastry. This is such an easy and delicious 3-ingredient appetizer, perfect for the holidays, perfect for any occasion. It is so tasty. Now I'm obviously using store-bought spinach dip, but you can make your own. You could also do a spinach artichoke dip, but I love this specific brand of spinach dip, so that's why I went for it. And we're just making sure we have a nice layer on half of our puff pastry from edge to edge on this side. All right, so we used about half of that container on there, which should be plenty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fold my puff pastry right in half, making sure that it's lined up perfectly. And we can pull back that parchment paper and kind of smush that together. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and rotate this. Now I'm gonna bring in my pizza cutter and we are gonna cut our puff pastry into slivers, just like so. They are about 1/2 inch wide, and we're gonna do that until we have cut all our pieces. Probably get double this amount if you get 2 puff pastries. All right, and now we are gonna grab our puff pastry strips and we have it pulled out just like this, and we are going to start twisting. So just turning one edge while holding the other one. Might get a little messy, but just keep going at it until you have a nice little spiral. And then we're going to take this over to our sheet pan and we are going to create a little pinwheel just like so. Beautiful. With each of our little puff pastries. We're gonna grab another one. It is a messy recipe and you can wear gloves if you like, but I washed my hands really well after handling everything. So we're gonna just keep twisting on until we get these all into little spinach pinwheels. Look how cute these are coming together.
Super cute.
All right, we fit 5 on our sheet pan. We have the others on another sheet pan. But our last ingredient for this easy appetizer is some butter. I'm doing a quick little butter wash on this, but you could do an egg wash or a milk wash. I just think that butter gets that puff pastry nice and brown and flaky, and that's exactly what we want these to be. But look how fun and festive these are. They almost remind me of like a Christmas wreath, but I am so excited to get these in the oven and see what they look like once they bake. All right, my oven is set to 400 and this is gonna be in there for about 20 to 25 minutes. Oh my. Not only do these look incredible, they smell incredible. Ooh, this is just the first batch, but I am ready to give them a try. Make sure to get them loosened up from that parchment paper. And then I have a cute little plate to display them on. I think it's time to give this a try.
They smell so good.
Yeah, let's go. Ooh, looks so flaky and delicious.
Is it good?
I think Sheldon wants some because it's so good.